This is a video for Science 9, and we are going to extract some DNA. In this case, we are using some split peas. You could also use wheat germ, or a banana, or strawberries, or whatever else you would like to try. So we're going to start with 100 milliliters of our split peas. We're going to add 200 milliliters of water. We're going to add just a bit of salt. So probably like 2 milliliters or 1/8 of a teaspoon. And we are going to blend this for about 15 seconds on high. Now we're going to strain out all the big chunks. I've got a strainer here. If you're with it, you would have some cheesecloth. That would help, like a layer or so. So we're going to strain out our pea soup. Next, we're going to add about 30 milliliters of dish soap. What do you think that does? We're not going to stir it up and make a big froth. We're just going to kind of gently swirl it to mix. And then we're just going to let it sit for about 10 minutes. Okay, we're going to pour these into smaller containers now. Again, don't kick up a lot of bubbles. So we're going to fill these about 1/3 full. You could also use test tubes if you have them hanging around, but any glass container is good. And we're going to add a pinch of meat tenderizer. We're going to add a pinch of meat tenderizer. We could also use pineapple juice or any other thing that will digest proteins. So we're just going to add a little bit and give it a gentle stir. And we're going to let that sit for about 5 minutes again. And finally, we're going to precipitate our DNA. We have some rubbing alcohol. You can go down to about 70%. This has been in the freezer, so it's nice and cold. And we're just going to gently layer the alcohol on top of our mixture. And you can see some white precipitate forming. And that is our DNA. So we'll give a few tries here. Some of these have more soap than others. You can see it there. This might work better in a test tube as well, but your precipitate will form where the two layers meet. Okay, and you might want to use a toothpick to gently spool around and catch that DNA. You can see the globby stuff there. That is the DNA. And there we have it.